I know my geography. No one's fooling me.
Right.
We flew from here to Athens, so it's one of the islands pretty
Okay.
the furthest away.
Yeah.
This is Leros, and clearly, when you're in Leros, you could see Turkey. So you could see like the hills and valleys, and they're like, "That's Turkey." And tell them the story how the Turkish, with their
It's
big
beautiful
boats,
there.
come over to Leros just to hang out. Like it's like an
Cool.
excursion.
Yeah, but the
Nice.
thing too, they come to Leros at night or in the afternoon, come on the beach because they're nice beach. They can be more freely. They can wear what they want. They go to the beach. They eat at the restaurant. They can get alcohol and booze because in Greece you can drink and party, and then they leave overnight. So they have these big boats that come over for the day.
Party.
I eat tomatoes every day, legit.
Yeah, we love it too.
It's a good fruit.
We eat a lot of Italian at the house.
Good.
Daisy like Italian style too.
Wow.
Yeah,
Lazy.
and a lot of this, you can see the north-south split, which I'm sure affects behavior in some way,
Yeah.
right?
No, cheese consumption I thought was kind of cool.
I'm surprised France and Italy aren't higher.
Potato consumption.
Yeah, the Middle East, like that's what Germany. That's
You got
Latvia,
Serbians,
Germany,
Ukraine,
Serbia.
Polish.
Yeah.
I missed you guys. I missed you.
Hey, we got 3 viewers. Man.
I
Okay,
love it.
okay.
Yeah, we had 15, now we got 3.
The hairiest people. Look at that. Europe.
Oh,
Center
I
of it
want to
all.
see a map of this. This is definitely north.
Wow, you
About-
get a lot of maps, yo.
Yo, I like maps.
I'm gonna go get another beer. Can you hold on, guys?
Yeah, man. There's no
Oh
hurry.
my
This is
God.
like after show.
There's no hurry, yo.
Look at this hair color.
We're gonna be here a while.
We're talking about hair color now.
Holy shit.
Okay.
Holy
Today we-
shit. Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna put my collar up because this is gonna be wild.
Let me go get my polo.
Fucking hell.
Oh my goodness.